You're watching It's Jules, and I'm no other than Jules, and today I'm coming at you with a new series I want to introduce to my channel, which is Did I Really Waste My Money? And this series is going to be me trying products and telling you do I think it's a waste of my money? Because there's products that I'll try and I'll be like, I really wasted my money on this, you know? And so today, for the first episode, I'm coming at you with, did I really waste my money on this Fenty Beauty foundation? So I'm going to talk about this foundation. I'm going to apply it to my face. I'm going to wear it. I'm going to come back. I'm going to show you what it looks like after I have all my makeup done. And I'm going to tell you, did I really waste my money on this? And my opinions. So if you want to see my opinion about it, keep on watching. So today I'm gonna giving you my honest opinion about the Fenty Beauty foundation by Rihanna, and I got me color matched to about 3 shades. So, and I picked like the one that's more my shade at the moment. So I got 150 as my shade, and then it has like a little swatch right. So this is what the bottle looks like. It just looks like this. It's a nice frosted bottle, and it has like a white cap, has a pump. So I'm going to do one side of my face with a beauty blender. This is the Nude Beauty Blender. And then the other side with my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. So I think I'm going to do this side with the brush and this side with the sponge. This foundation says medium to full coverage. It is a soft, matte, long-wearing foundation with buildable to medium to full coverage. It's boundary breaking in the shade range. I believe there's 40 shades of foundation. And it says it finally is an ultimate photo filter formula born in 40 boundary breaking shades. Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wearing Foundation gives the skin an instant smoothing, pore diffusing, shine free finish that eases a building to medium to full coverage. The oil free formula is made with climate adaptability technology that resists sweat and humidity and won't clog pores, so that wherever you are, it's going to work on your skin. It says best of all, it's long wearing, light as air, free, undetectable on the skin, and so always looks good. So when I went to Sephora and I got skin matched to, I believe Rihanna skin matched to like 4 different ones depending on like the season. But she also wears 330, 360, and 370 depending on the time of the year. And so this foundation costs $34. So I'm gonna prime my skin like I usually do naturally. So the first thing I always do before doing my makeup, I always put some witch hazel and clean my skin. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna move on to moisturizer, which I'm gonna be using my Cellophane moisturizing lotion. So this foundation says it's perfect for all skin types, and I am combination, and I'm combination to dry skin. So for face primer, I like to use this Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer, and it just looks like this. So I'm just gonna Put some on the back of my hand, and it's liquidy, like, so that's what it looks like. And just, I'm gonna dot my face. And this face, I can tell by just dotting this looks lighter than my skin color right now. I probably didn't need this much, to be honest. It smells, I don't know what it smells like. It smells like something you put on a baby, and I'm just gonna go in and just start. So it does look, looking at this foundation, it does look like my skin. It is definitely like a medium coverage, because you can still see like my redness right here, and then some from, you know, the redness. It doesn't cling up to any pores or dry patches on my skin that it usually, like any other foundation would do normally. So this is what it looks like on the sponge side compared to my normal skin. So this is without the foundation, and so this is with the foundation. You can totally see a difference. It makes my skin look on this side more smoother. This, I'm gonna do this side with a makeup brush. So I'm just gonna dot it on, like, just going in with the brush. I'm gonna start right here on my chin. And you can tell with that one little dot right there, it went so far. So I probably don't even need this much on this side as I have on it. I would use a brush. I would use a brush with it and kind of cover up more redness on my face. It looks nice on my skin. It makes my skin look kind of like fake. I don't look like I have blemishes. But I would definitely go over with a sponge. This foundation feels lightweight. I don't feel that, like, you know, some you can feel on your skin, like on a scale of 1 to 10 how much I can feel it. I would rate it a 1 because I don't feel it, like. And then when I touch my skin feels soft. And looking in the mirror and the mirror, I could totally tell, I can totally see that it doesn't cling up to any dry patches. While looking at it from distance, usually, like, I can tell it's a little shiny in some areas, like right here, which is usually like which usually like the combination comes in, where half foundation gets shiny in some areas. I would definitely set this with a powder. So this is what my face looks like. I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and I'll come back with a verdict. So I'm back with a full face of makeup, and so far it's been a couple hours also. So far it looks good. It is a very, say, medium coverage. It's a very, like, if you want to wear it natural, or if you're not into full coverage makeup, it is what it is. I am a very shiny, so I definitely use a setting powder. I just didn't do it because that's normally not in my routine since I'm combo to dry skin. So, but it is looking good and it matches my skin color so good. Rubbed off a little around my nose area. Well, like my T-zone is very oily, so that might have been the reason. But yes. So my final thoughts on the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I feel like I didn't waste $35. I think I would definitely buy it, and I would use it just as something, as like an everyday foundation. This is like kind of foundation I would wear that I don't see caking up on my driest patches. I like the way it looks. It looks very natural. It looks like I'm not wearing any foundation, which is nice because even when it's two different looks from when I'm wearing foundation to when I'm not. So I would definitely buy this again. So yeah, that's my thoughts on this foundation. So if you enjoyed this video and this new series and you want to see more videos of this series, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that little bell once you subscribe to get notified when I post. Don't forget to comment down below what products you want me to try on the next episode. Don't forget to stay connected with me on social media. I will have both my Instagram and my Twitter down below. And see you next time.